guys, I'm back. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients I need to make a slime. So first I need a bowl of 16 ml of warm water. Now I'm going to pour the slime powder and slowly mix it up with this holder. And now I'm going to mix it up. Now I'll take some more and pour it in. And I'm going to follow these steps until my bowl is full of this mixture. I'm going to add some more in it now. Now, some more. And ask an adult for this because sometimes the mixture and it can come in your eyes and can hurt them. So ask an adult to help you in this. Stir it slowly because sometimes the mixture also comes in your eyes when it flies. I'm going to add all of it. Stir it all nicely so no particles come in my eyes. Very slowly, everybody. Now I'm going to stir it for a few seconds. Okay, so now if you guys can see, my bowl looks very nice and full of this mixture. I'm going to read the instructions and say what is it. So now, okay, so in the instructions it says keep stirring until the slime looks thick and strong. So I'm going to keep stirring it. It's going to take a long time, but maybe it will work. That's how we make a slime. So it's looking pretty good now. I'm just going to keep stirring it till the time it looks nice. So that looks pretty good now. Maybe just need a few more stirs, then I'm ready to go. And now I'm just going to stir it till the time it is nice and strong so I can touch it and make it like a slime. So I actually got the pink color. I love pink. If you guys don't know, I love the color pink. It's so pretty. I thought I'm going to go like black or orange, but it's so cool. I got pink. Okay, this is so nice. Okay, the slime is looking pretty good now. Let me see. Yes. Pretty nice, looking sticky, but I cannot touch my hand in it. So, keep stirring. It's going to take a long time. Let me just sit comfortably so I can stir it nicely. Yes. And now, I'm just going to keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. Oh my gosh, got some in my hand. Okay, never mind, it's just slime. I can just take it out. This slime. Whoa, now it's looking nice. So yes, now my slime looks great. And if you are making the slime at home, make sure to comment how your slime is it. Mine's like pink color. And tell me also in the comments which color did you got. I got the pink color. Ooh, now it's like a sticky, gooey slime. Okay, just a few more stirs. Then I think it's done. I'm going to read the instructions then. Okay, it's sticking a lot in the bowl. Oh, yes. Now this is called slime. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so... Now I'm going to squishing the slime back again. Yes, now I'm just going to take out these little particles. If you guys can see this, there's a lot of particles in it. Gotta take it out. Okay, so now you see my slime is all finished, and hope you like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe and giving you thumbs up. Bye.